Welcome to watch today's Fresham. On a leafy street in Melbourne's inner north, Mitchell Street sets a new precedent for sustainable urban living, where integrated design meets a strong sense of place. In Northcote, a new benchmark for integrated, eco-modern architecture and sustainable living has emerged. Designed by C.Kairouz Architects and built by Samsung's Projects, the Mitchell Street development is a dual-occupancy project comprising 2 townhouses. In a neighborhood undergoing a slow but steady reinvigoration, the project offers more than just new housing. It presents a compelling vision for low-impact urban living with a compact footprint. This isn't about ticking boxes for green credentials, it's about delivering functional, high-quality homes that are as beautiful and comfortable as they are environmentally responsible.